If you find it very difficult to make a stable whipped cream for your cakes, pastries, and etc., well, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a whipped cream using powdered whipping cream. Okay, you only need 2 ingredients: very chilled water or milk, then your powdered whipping cream. Okay, please ignore the instructions written on the back of the whipping cream. Do not use that if you want a stable whipped cream. So normally, in the back of the pack, they said, I think they said you can use 1,000 grams of powder whipping cream, and they use 2,000 ml of water. That's a lot. Anyway, depends on the kind of dessert you're doing and the texture you want to get. Okay, but to cover a cake properly and make it stable, please use my recipe, which I will leave in the description below. I use 3:1 ratio. Sometimes I use 2:1 ratio. Okay, depending on what I want to achieve with the whipped cream. All right, so first of all, mix everything together. Use your balloon whisk and whisk it on a very high speed. Okay, for like 3 to 4 minutes. All right, until everything thickens. Like when you put your spoon and it will hang, it doesn't run down. All right, and again, when you're using it and you think it's too thick, you can actually correct it with a little bit of liquid, the same chilled and liquid. Okay. Then again, I don't know, I see a lot of videos that your whipped cream can stay outside for more than 1 hour and all that. Please, I have not seen that, and if you think you have a recipe on that, please share with me. Okay, but now this is what I use. And again, when I make my cake and send to my customers, I always tell them, please, immediately you receive your cake, pop it in the fridge. Okay, because whipped cream doesn't stay outside the fridge in a very hot weather for more than 1 hour. Please don't do that. If not, you ruin your cake. I remember when when I got my first customer, coming out from cake school of 8 months, because they didn't teach us how to do whipped cream in cake school. So I got a first customer that said, "Oh, I want a whipped cream cake." I say, "Yes, ma, I can do it." And I quickly went to YouTube to learn how to do whipped cream. Panic attack won't kill me. I'm whipping. It's not whipping. In fact, it was unsuccessful. So I had to call my customer and tell her that, please, ma, I cannot be able to do this. So please, it was so embarrassing. I was like, "Please, can I use buttercream?" And she said, "Okay, I can use buttercream." But later on, when I learned how to do whipped cream, I was like, "This is so easy, so easy to make." Anyway, this is how I do my stable whipped cream. Like in the video, I use it for a Swiss roll. Okay, you all know Swiss roll, which I will be dropping the video in my next video. Please, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That's what they say, like. And if you have any question, regarding whipped cream, your experience or whatever challenges you're facing, please leave it in the comment section. Okay, and I will respond to you when I can. All right, thank you guys for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking that subscribe button. All right, ciao.